This is what happens when a classic hot dog gets a serious upgrade. And if you love comfort food made from scratch, make sure to follow for more recipes. Start by adding the guajillo chilies and ancho chili to a saucepan with the beef broth. Bring everything to a boil. Then transfer the broth and softened chilies to a blender and blend until completely smooth. Set it aside. In a bowl, season the minced beef with ground paprika, ground cumin, dried oregano, ground sage, salt and black pepper. Mix until everything is evenly combined. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Spray with cooking oil and cook the seasoned beef until nicely browned, breaking it apart as it cooks. Now add the chopped red onion, the diced red and yellow capsicum, and the grated garlic. Cook for about 3 minutes, just until the vegetables begin to soften. Next, add the chipotle in adobo sauce, the drained red beans, the blended chili broth, and the crushed tomatoes. Don't forget the stout beer, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and green chili. Finally, stir in the dark chocolate and fresh lime juice. The chocolate adds richness without making the chili sweet. Now it's time to assemble. Add the warm sausage. Place 1 slice of crispy golden bacon inside each hot dog bun. Spoon 2 or 3 tablespoons of the chili right over the top. Finish with plenty of cheddar cheese sauce. Then garnish with chopped red onion and fresh coriander. And don't forget to follow for more recipes that are worth making at home.